When it comes to upgrading your home's flooring, the last thing you want is getting caught in a back and forth between suppliers and contractors. The best way to ensure a hassle-free installation and stunning results is to opt for a full-service provider like Redeem Flooring. Here's what you need to watch out for and how we ensure a smooth, seamless experience. Number 1. Lack of accountability. One of the biggest nightmares in flooring installation happens when the materials and installation are sourced from different entities. When issues arise, the material manufacturers and the installers often point fingers at each other, leaving you, the homeowner, caught in the middle without recourse. Imagine being Elizabeth, a homeowner who decided to save a few dollars by purchasing a luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, from a local store, and hiring a contractor who offered rock-bottom installation price. After the installation, the floor began to warp and buckle. Elizabeth reached out to the manufacturer, who immediately asked for proof that the installation had followed their strict guidelines. Then, she called her contractor, who smelled trouble. He kept dodging her and eventually ignored her calls. Caught between an unresponsive contractor and manufacturers shifting the blame, Elizabeth faced increasing frustration without any clear solution. She came to us and finally realized that she had to do this project all over again. This time, we provide both materials and installation service. Here's how we avoid that trap. At Redeem Flooring, we eliminate this chaotic back and forth. Our manufacturers respect our authority and follow our lead, not just because of our proven track record and long-standing business relationship, but because we consistently demonstrate that we adhere strictly to the installation guidelines. We document every step of the process, ensuring there's no room for blame shifting. With us, you have a single point of accountability, simplifying every aspect of your flooring project. Number 2, warranty worries. Handling warranties can be tricky when your flooring materials and installation are handled by separate parties. Each may blame the other for any issues, complicating the process of making a warranty claim. At Redeem Flooring, we streamline this process. With our 1-year installation warranty and our strong relationship with manufacturers, any potential issues are resolved swiftly without the typical finger pointing. Number 3, mismatch expectation and results. Selecting materials from one vendor and installation from another can lead to a mismatch between what you envision and what you receive. Redeem Flooring ensures your materials and installation expectations are aligned from the start, delivering the results you dream of. Number 4, hidden costs can pile up. When you deal with different suppliers and contractors, unexpected costs can escalate quickly. Redeem Flooring offers a comprehensive package with clear upfront pricing, no hidden fees ever. Number 5, longer project timelines. Using multiple companies can lead to longer, more complex project timelines. Redeem Flooring handles everything in-house, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Number 6, installation quality concerns. Different installers have varying levels of expertise, which can affect the quality of your flooring installation. Our team at Redeem Flooring boasts over 15 years of experience, guaranteeing top-notch quality every time. 7, overwhelming choices and decisions. Choosing the right flooring and installer can be overwhelming. Redeem Flooring makes it easy with expert advice and tailored service to fit your needs and budget. Conclusion: upgrading your flooring should be exciting, not stressful. Avoid the common pitfalls of flooring installation by choosing a trusted, all-in-one provider like Redeem Flooring. We ensure a straightforward quality service from selection to installation, backed by solid warranties and reliable customer support. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. Choosing the right materials and installation method can be overwhelming for many. So, we've developed a simple process to guide you in making the best decision for your peace of mind and wallet. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.